kids, it's time to sing. Dance with letters, let's begin. It says ah, like an apple pie. B says, but like bees that fly. C says, cut like a cat so small. D says, duh, like a big drum call. Clap, clap, spin around. Dance to letters, jump up and down. A, B, C, D, dance with me. Alphabet fun for you and me. Like elephants play. F says, fa, like frogs all day. G says, ga, like goats that run. H says, ha, like hi everyone. Clap, clap, spin around. Dance to letters, jump up and down. A, F, G, H, dance with me. Alphabet fun for you and me. Like an insect small. J says, Jew, like jelly ball. K says, coo, like kites in the sky. L says, ooh, like leaves that fly. M says, like milk so sweet. N says, like nuts to eat. O says, ah, like orange bright. P says, huh, like penguins in white. Clap, clap, spin around. Dance to letters, jump up and down. I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Alphabet fun for you and me. Like a queen with a crown. R says roo, like rain falling down. S says, like a snake that slides. T says, two, like trains that ride. U says, ah, like umbrella high. V says, ooh, like vans that fly. W says, like waterfall. X says, K's, like a xylo call. I says, yeah, like a yellow sun. Z says, like a zebra run. Clap your hands, spin around. Dance with letters, jump up and down. Now we know A to Z. Alphabet dance with you and me.